Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. You put the vents over a hole that was cut. If you notice, the flange is much bigger than the ribs. So what I do is I get the center of where that rib's going to be, might not fall exactly in the center of the vent, and then I cut so that there's a V, and I can fasten these down. Okay, and these on the outside edge, when they're close like that, I'll let it get mashed down and folded over. But I got to do it on the top also. Then, when you fasten, you want to make sure you start in the middle and work your way out. That way everything's, so I'm spreading myself out. Go to the top. See how that V that I cut in that vent flange, it's allowing that metal to wrap down around. That way I can seal it all up. And it will have a good tight fit before we even get to sealing. I don't recommend using a screwdriver for a hammer, but there you go. Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.